SR Performance Awning Tent Hard Shell Case. It's color black and finish. Wala pang nilalabas ng silver, pero ito talaga ang hinahanap ng mga tao. Now, yung kasama niyang crossbars are Loadmaster, yun yung brand. Tapos nilagyan nila naman siya ng mga L brackets para dun ikapit ang awning tent. As you can see, this old Suzuki Jimny is given new life. Lagyan na ng crossbars at awning tent, magagamit na siya. You can bring it sa mga picnics nyo, you can bring it sa mga off-road camping sites, or just anywhere you wanna go. The main advantage that you can get from SR awning tents is that it's easy to assemble. Madali rin siya ibalik. All you have to do is to look at the poles, kung saan siya ilalagay, look at the straps, kung paano siya ilalagay. And also, when you try to return yung lona na to inside the hard shell case, make sure na naka-fold siya na maayos. Now na-close na siya ni Roger and ni Jonathan, magandang finish ng SR na hard shell awning case, and may kita mong fit na fit ang mga brackets natin for this car.